A lot of people ask if green plantain can be eaten in another form outside boiling or making porridge with it, and I said yes. Hello bit family, welcome to my channel. In today's video, what I have for you is healthy green plantain swallow. Let's dive right into the video so I can show you how I came up with this healthy swallow you are seeing right here. Let's begin by peeling the green plantain. You can decide to cut them in half before peeling, or peeling them in full just the way they are. There is no problem about that. So far so good. Do the one that is very easy for you, but do bear in mind that before peeling the plantain, I've washed them before now. To my OGs, please like this video if you have not already, and to my new subscribers, you are especially welcome. My name is Nancy. Please do join others to like the video as well. Thank you. Fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really? After blending the plantain, I will go ahead to cut them in chunks to help my blender, and then proceed to transfer them to my blender to blend until very smooth. You can feel free to add a little water if the blade of your blender cannot wind or turn without adding water. Alright, for the blending, I will be blending in batches because I'm making the green plantain swallow for 5 people. Okay, keep watching. Come one in a dozen, the other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you, I never could have moved away. Once the plantain is blended smoothly, I will go ahead to transfer the plantain batter to my clean pot and continue stirring immediately on a low heat to avoid a lumpy swallow at the end. Do bear in mind here that I will keep stirring the plantain fufu until it comes together. Please, while stirring or making such food like green plantain swallow or fufu, please apply some patience, for they say that a patient dog eats the fattest bone. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. At a point, you will start noticing some lumps like this one you are seeing right here. Please, it is normal, never mind or give up. They are little lumps that can easily break up if only you keep stirring on a low heat without giving it any space. Once the plantain batter turns to plantain swallow, that is fufu, I will go ahead to add a little water and cover to cook well, still on a low heat for 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, I will stir very well again to combine, and here our healthy green fufu swallow is ready. And to this, I will remove from the heat and allow it to cool down a bit to be able to handle. Next, I will go ahead to wrap the plantain fufu in portion with a ceiling film. I will show you the way I wrap the first one, and I will also go ahead to repeat the process for you to catch it up. Please, have you liked this video? If no, do like the video to support me, okay? And here are the wrapped plantain swallow. Green plantain fufu is one healthy swallow that everyone should add in their weekday meal. Plantain has a lot of health benefits, but the one that interests me most is that plantain swallow is a high carb food that is also rich in fiber. The calories in 1 cup of plantain swallow is about 350, which is low compared to other swallow in West Africa. You can eat this green plantain swallow with any soup of your choice, but for us today, we will be eating it with okra soup. Try this plantain swallow and tag me on all social media handles like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or even on YouTube here. Don't forget to like this video, share, drop your comment, and subscribe to our channel with your bell on to be notified anytime we upload a new video. From me and all my crew, thank you so much for watching. Always remember this, and we will sure see you in our next video. Bye bye.